Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a payment to the IRS online in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to type this link in your web browser, that is irs.gov/payments. Over here, you will see the payment methods, like you can do direct pay with the help of your bank account, which is completely free and easy. If you select the second option, that is pay by card or digital wallet, you will have to make some processing fee. It would be small, but you need to pay a little bit of processing fee. So over here, you can also sign in into your IRS account to see your balance and your payment history as well. Now, once you do this, on the next page, you will have to enter your tax year form type, that is 1040, and how much you actually owe. Then you need to fill out your personal details and you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to complete that payment. You will get an instant confirmation. So once you get that, you need to just immediately take the screenshot of that, and after that you need to just use any other official website and avoid any third party links or any kind of scam. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick financial guides. Thanks for watching.